Samandağ Coast, which is located in Samandağ district of Hatay province, is home to the global scale of endangered Kelenia midas, Creda creda, and Monachus monachus. Recently, this pristine coastline has become increasingly polluted from runoff waste poured into the sea from countries located on the coast of the Mediterranean Sea, as well as waste and pollution from the Asi River. Unfortunately, pollution and various trash items are often consumed by many sea creatures, and this affects the health and reproductivity of many sea creatures. Even though Hatay municipality tries to clean it, the coast gets dirty in a few days due to trash thrown away. We tried to clean maybe not the whole beach, but at least a small part of it. During the cleaning, we paid attention not to harm the protected and endangered, and which add to the natural beauty of the beach sand slip. The beautiful coast that the world has given us is cleaner, spacious, and we try to contribute to it. Fourteen kilometers of Samandağ area is mostly dirty with nylon bags, plastic bottles, cigarette butt ends, and baby nappies. From these wastes, cigarette butts are lost in nature in 2 years, metal boxes in 10 years, plastic bottles in 400 years, plastic products in 500 years, glass bottles in 4,000 years. A very important point and feature that we need to pay attention about this coastline is different types of endangered turtle species, such as green sea turtle, loggerhead sea turtle, and the Mediterranean monk seal, which live along the Samandağ coast. In fact, this location between Muğla and Hatay coasts is one of the most important nesting areas of the Kelenia midas and Creda creda. The number of annual rest varies from 760 to 3,521, according to research carried out so far. The Monachus monachus species are estimated to be around 700. Research has concluded that in Turkey about 60 monk sea lions, and it is estimated that around 100 sea lions live on the Turkish coast. The most important habitat for these sea lions are the Mediterranean and Aegean Sea. The most important habitat is the Aegean Sea and the Mediterranean Sea, and these seals can be maintained by Turkey and Greece. Sea turtles are at least as affected as Monachus monachus from this pollution. Sea turtles who think trash is food and eat it will encounter with basic digestive system problems. Solid wastes prevent sea turtles from digging a nest. Baby sea turtles who have just come out of the eggs can get stuck in a plastic materials. If they think plastic material is a jellyfish and have tried to eat it, they can risk suffocation. We are glad that we made a drop on this point. What are you going to do to make you happy?